Welcome. If you've been trying to find your comment activity on Instagram using your PC and felt a bit lost with the new update, you're definitely not alone. Instagram has moved things around slightly, but once you know where to look, it becomes really simple. Let's walk through it step by step so you can quickly find all the comments you've made. First, open Instagram on your web browser. Go to Instagram.com and log into your account as usual. Make sure you're on your home feed before moving to the next step. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open the menu. Once the menu expands, you'll see several options. From there, click on your activity. This is where Instagram stores a lot of your past actions, including likes, comments, and more. After entering your activity, look for a section called Interactions. Click on it to continue. Inside Interactions, you'll find different categories like likes, comments, and other engagement actions. To see all the comments you've made, click on Comments. And that's it. You'll now have access to a full list of your comment activity. You can scroll through them, review what you've said, or even delete comments if you want to clean things up. This feature is especially useful if you're trying to track your engagement, revisit conversations, or simply manage your online presence more carefully. So next time you need to find your comments on Instagram using your PC, just remember these simple steps and you'll get there in seconds.